Oh Jah, fire burning for righteousness, equal justice, equal love. Roots mansion, justice for the rich, justice for the poor. Every little soul deserve a open door. Oh, the nation rise when the scale uneven. Truth can breathe when corruption step in. We want fairness on the land, equal rights for every woman, every man. Jahmalay guide the humble and strong. Justice is a song we chant lifelong. Equal justice for all. Me say, no man higher, no man lesser. We bless the same way. Fire for the wrong, but love for the right. Jah truth always shining at the darkest night. Stand firm, people stand tall. The cry for justice are for one and all. Oh Jah, hear the sufferers call. Equal rights, equal love for all. Some use power to break man down, but righteousness crown never touch the ground. Jah watch every deed, every word we speak. Him lift up the humble and fight for the weak. Me say the youth them need fairness too. Opportunity spread like morning dew. Cause a nation strong when the justice pure. Humanity clean when equality sure. Oh Jah, strength in the heart of man. Make we walk with truth in a righteous plan. No bias, no hatred, just unity. Equal justice for the whole country. Burn out oppression with spiritual fire. Lift up the people, lift them higher. Equal justice for all. Me say, no man higher, no man lesser. We bless the same way. Fire for the wrong, but love for the right. Jah truth always shining at the darkest night. Stand firm, people stand tall. The cry for justice are for one and all. Oh Jah, hear the sufferers call. Equal rights, equal love for all.